Hello partners, welcome to Urban Company Technical Center. So basically today we are gonna learn about partner behavior. So as we attend most of our premium clients in Urban Company, so we get most of the people who are very classy, and we also get on a moderate people who are working professionally. So we also have to be professional. So first impression is the best impression. So we have to maintain our first impression. So before entering the client's house, when you see before entering the client's house, we have to always self-groom ourselves. So always make sure you have a clean hairstyle, set your hair well, keep it combed, and always set it neatly, and also have your beard groomed as well as you can, and also clean your face with a wet tissue. Always use a wet tissue or a tissue so that you can clean your face very much well. And check your dressing. So always check the way you wear your uniform and also how you dress. Always have a neat buckle and also neat belt and also a neat black shirt and black pant, which is very much compulsory, and make sure your shirt is in shirt, and also shoes are very much compulsory. So always we have to wear shoes. So shoes is very much compulsory, which shows that we are very much professional. So when we talk to the client, we make sure that it is very much professional, and we have to overall look very much professional in front of our clients. So next is deodorant, and we have to make sure that we use a deodorant always before entering our client's place, because usually what happens, so you get a pocket perfume, so you can use this pocket deodorant each and every time when you enter the client's place. Yes, so it is next is mouth freshener. So always use mouth freshener to ensure that you don't get a bad smell when you talk. So usually we eat and then we enter the client's place. So it is make sure that you always use a mouth freshener. So next is body posture. So always good body posture and bad body posture. So we should make sure that we always stand straight with confidence in front of the client, and always we have to show that we are confident in front of the client, and we have to be straight. Our back has to be straight, and make sure our client will ensure that our confidence is very much important to do a haircut service. So we have to not stand in the other sides. We have to always make sure that we have to be very much confident, and you are the best. You're the best in your profession, and you can do the best at your work. So whereas you also should make sure that you give your best. Next is hand gestures. So always make sure you always have a very good hand gestures in front of your client, because it is you who will make sure that the client feels professional in front of the client. You should not do this. So you should always make sure that you professionally keep your hands together and speak to them politely. So next is talk politely. So always our voice tone should be low, and always we have to maintain a soft tone and speak very much politely to our clients to make sure that so it could be the first call. So from the first call till the end service when feedback, so till then we have to have our tone very much softly, and also we have to treat our client as God. Whereas we should make sure that we have good actions in very much the first call. Whereas first call is very important, because it creates the first impression, which is the best impression when they talk to you. So always be clear and confident, and also speak in a soft tone on the first call. So when you see first call, so basically our first impression is the best impression. So we have to make sure we confidently speak to our client about our service, and also immediately we have to after accepting the lead, we have to make sure that we call the client and reconfirm the service. So first, always call the client and mention your name and which category you are coming from. So basically, if I'm yoga, you have to tell I'm yoga and mention the client's name, telling that hello sir, and be confident, tell that you are from men's grooming category and confirm the call that you have a haircut service. So I'm coming for a haircut service at your place, so your appointment is at so and so time. So confirmation call is very much important. So the confirmation call which you call creates the first impression and reconfirmation call. When you see the reconfirmation call where you have to do it before 2 hours prior to the service, so which is nothing but our second call. So whereas you're gonna reconfirm the client and also always ask the client regarding that you're gonna reach the place and also about the navigation of the place, and make sure you are calling. Make sure you call and confirm at the second time and to satisfy the client, and not only made that, to reconfirm the service with your client 15 minutes prior. So when you call 15 minutes prior, you'll have, what is the benefit? Less cancellation, and also you'll have less bad customer experience, less of rescheduling. And so it is very important that we have to do our callings. That could be our first confirmation call or reconfirmation call, or our second confirmation call, which is also known as second confirmation call. So next is doorstep greeting. When you always enter the client's place, to make sure that you ring the bell or knock the door, so that the client will introduce yourself to you, and you can introduce yourself to the client and make sure your first impression is the best impression in front of your client. So you have to ensure that you are from Urban Company and you're very much professional in talking, and make sure you greet, and also make sure that you create the first impression by introducing your name. Tell your client that you're sanitizing the door, and also sanitize the door in front of the client while they see it, so that when you sanitize, it is compulsory to sanitize. When you sanitize, it creates a very good impression. Always use a hanky or a tissue, and always wipe the touched doorbell or the handle of the door in front of the client, to make sure that you maintain hygiene and safety. So I also give them that your hygiene and safety gives the confidence. And always remove the shoe cover. Always wear a shoe cover in front of your client, and sanitize your hands after wearing it, and to show that your client that safety and hygiene is our priority and you are a very good professional. And also show your Arogya Setu app. So it is always compulsory to show our Arogya Setu app and to our client, so that you and your client also feel safe, your client feels safe. It is very mandatory to show our app, Arogya Setu app, so that you are safe and you are also vaccinated, so that your client feels safe, and also you show that your priority is on your priority is on hygiene and safety, whereas you prioritize hygiene and safety. So when client tells set up in the bathroom, always you can convey the client, never ever deny. So always you can tell the client, you can check this area where the client tells you to set up your service, and also you have to always convey the client it is not hygiene for either them or also you so that to make sure that it is very much neat and clean, and make sure that you confirm with the client telling that so whatever place you give, so whatever place is given to you will be given back in the same way by sanitizing and also cleaning it neatly. And repeat this dialogue, sir, always. So sir, the place whatever given for the service will be given back as you want it, and always carry the broomstick and dustpan, and always sanitize it. Set up at balcony. So usually majorly most of the clients tell us to do in the balcony as they are very much comfortable. So always check the balcony whether it is neat and you can do a service there. So if possible, yes, if it is not neat and hygiene, you can make sure that you request the customer with a good tone that the place given to you will be again cleaned, and the hair might spread all over, sir. It would take a bit longer, and also it will be very much difficult to clean it. So repeat this dialogue, request them, always request them in a softer tone, so that your client also will understand. So when your client understands, yeah, they will ensure that they would give you a space. And carry a broomstick and dustpan very much. Wait for the client confirmation. Once the client confirms, always manage mushkils. So always you'll find different types of situations in front of your client where you have to manage in a different manner. So you have to understand the client. So always understand the client's expression, the body language. Whereas if you carry on a softer tone with a good body language, even your client will respond in a very good body language. Whatever your client tells, you have to tell, my bad, I'm sorry, I'll make sure that I'll do it right. Yeah, and also always have it in a softer tone and do the recorrection. Always recorrect yourself and ensure that the client is happy with that. An important note. So regarding the same, so we have given you questions on partner behavior. We kindly request you to answer the questions.